As a person's core temperature drops towards 35 degrees Celsius, they begin to feel cold and may complain about it. Shivering often occurs as the body's natural attempt to generate heat. Hypothermia can be classified into 3 stages: mild, moderate and severe, each with distinct symptoms. Mild hypothermia is characterized by a body temperature between 32 and 35 degrees Celsius. The symptoms can be subtle but can include consistent shivering, tiredness, slower response and low energy. The skin may appear cold and pale and breathing may become rapid, a condition known as hyperventilation. Additionally, the individual may exhibit mild confusion and poor judgment. Moderate hypothermia occurs when the body temperature falls between 28 degrees and 32 degrees Celsius. Symptoms become more pronounced and may include an inability to think clearly or pay attention, increased confusion, and a poor judgment. A notable symptom is paradoxical undressing, when the person may feel an irrational urge to remove clothing despite being very cold. Other signs include difficulty moving around, clumsiness, lack of coordination, drowsiness, slurred speech, and slow, shallow breathing. At this stage, the shivering usually stops, indicating a serious decline in the body's ability to generate heat, and emergency medical help is required. Severe hypothermia is identified by a body temperature below 28 degrees Celsius. The symptoms are life-threatening and can include unconsciousness, shallow or no breathing, a weak or irregular pulse or no pulse, dilated pupils, and pale or blue skin that's cold to the touch. In extreme cases, the individual may appear dead, but it's crucial to transport them to hospital to determine whether they are in a state of severe hypothermia or have succumbed to the condition. Medical intervention can sometimes resuscitate individuals with severe hypothermia, although it's not always successful. Understanding the stages and symptoms of hypothermia is vital for timely intervention and treatment. Recognizing the signs early can significantly improve the chances of recovery and prevent the condition from progressing to a more severe stage.